Hello, friends. Okay, so we're gonna do eyebrows today. I showed you guys that's the kit. That is the 3D brow kit. That's the brow pomade or the brow soap. I think it's brow soap is called. We have the spoolie, something like a brush to brush the brow, and then we have the eyebrow pencil, yeah, to put it on. I'm thinking maybe the pomade will make it, or the brow soap, that is what it's called, brow soap, will help it to be more adhesive. I don't know. Okay, it has a sharpener, another spoolie at the back of the pencil. We are going to find out how it works. We're going to find out today. So now I just dip the brush, the little brush that came with the kit. It looks like a mascara one, but only that is no mascara in it, more or less. So that's called the spoolie. I use it to brush up the hair. I think this will work better for people with lots of brow hair or long brow hair, because I think the eyebrow soap, that wask little box wask that is in it, I think it will help the hair to be tamed, to stay in the right place. I barely have any hair, so for me it's absolutely useless. I don't need to use it, but if you have it, you can as well use it. What I really like is the pencil, because the pencil is dark brown, it's not black, so that's good, but it's not light brown, so it actually will show up on my skin tone. It's dark brown. So but I would actually would rather buy the Wet and Wild brow pencil. That Wet and Wild brow pencil I buy in Walmart, that's actually worked better than this one. Although this one came with the whole package, I don't need all those. That brow pencil should be fine. So but I'm using this. I'm trying to make it work according to Tim Gunn.
Work, work, work. Make it work. You're the little factory here. This is your...
Ah, yeah, Tim Gunn. Yes, I surely will make it work. That's the brow. So, oh yeah, I finally gave up. I just used my little black eyeliner and put at the tip. Not, you don't put it all in the front because it's really black, so I don't look angry. So I just used it, and then to seal it up I normally use that lash glue. I was looking for my original lash glue, I couldn't find it, so I had to use the sample one, the tiny one. Sometimes it happens when you're trying to film the things you really need, you put it out there and you can't find it anymore. So guess what? Tim Gunn says again, make
I want to see greatness.
it's on its way.
Good.
It work. Okay, the eyebrow is still okay. You can see. Okay. So there's the eyebrow of this morning.